this time we're gonna install DCTS itself. So we will need to go to GitHub and we will go down to releases and just click on the latest. Download the source zip file and this will download. And we can close this and extract this shit, but actually let's open it up, check the folders, and we will just move this one outside because it's less of a hassle. Bam. Because of personal preference, I will just rename it to DCTS, go inside there. Now we have all the folders and things we need. So you can click this path, whatever, and type CMD there to start it in that path, as you can see. Now what we will need to do is run bun install, and it will install all the required packages. Boom, done. For our next magic trick, we will do bun and the dot. And you see that it works. So what we need to do now is, since we have installed our SQL server, we go into the configs file, open this config.json file with our super sick notepad editor. We will do what this prompt said and look for SQL. We can do that with Control F. And here we will set the username to root, because that's the default. You don't have to worry about the database, everything else can stay. The entire config is made in a way so that default variables will work. Now we can close that. We can do bun dot again. It's creating everything inside the database. We will say yeah, hello. Now we will close it with Control C, run it again. And now it looks a little bit cleaner because we will need this here. So we will copy that with Control Shift C, this one. And we will go into our browser. As you can see, service running on port blah 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 2052. So we will fact this tab and close this one too by replacing it. What we will do is we will type localhost followed by our port, and now we are connected. You can see it is working. You can also see it's so small that it thinks I'm on an Android phone or whatever. This is so ass. It looks so blurry as well because fucking supervisor. We will click on skip though. Enough yapping. We will wait for this to finish. It may take some time to show up depending on your system. As you can imagine, we didn't create an account yet, so we will click create account. Call it super cool yapper. A login name that's created. I wonder what the password would be. And we will submit. Bam, we have created an account. We will not save it for now because we are good at remembering complex passwords. And here we are. Now you can see you can do nothing really. What we will do though is, since we copied this long ass number, right click this and click redeem key. Paste it, or right click paste, whatever, and click OK. Bam, we are admin now. What this means is we can create categories now. And if you right click a category, you can go a level deeper and create channels. Oh my god. And now we will call it Yappen. Make it a text channel and click create. Bam. We have a text channel. We will say hello. Bam, it's the first message. And here we have the system message. So basically that's what it's like. We can click on the home to show the server home. And if you click here, you can see the system message. You can also donate, which is pretty helpful actually, just saying. And yeah, that's pretty much the most basic setup. There's also voice chat, but that'll be a different topic in the next video.